Red and blue lights flash through my blinds. I watch them drag her out of the house next door. She stops on the sidewalk and looks right at my window. She smiles. It's not a normal smile, it's too wide. They shove her into the back of the cruiser. The street is silent again. I lock my deadbolt. Who's to be safe? Buzz. Buzz. My phone lights up the dark room. Unknown number. I slide to open. It's a photo of me, sleeping. Taken from inside my closet. The closet door creaks open behind me. A soft voice whispers, "Did you miss me?" I look at the window, and she is still standing on the sidewalk, smiling.